Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video we'll be looking on the cockatiel. So the first video I did was this video where I showed you that the couple had actually finally hatched one egg and the baby was surviving, and then I did a follow-up video to show you that there were actually 3 eggs that hatched. So I think the title of that one was called 2 more eggs were hatched, or 2 more eggs have hatched, something along that line. And now I am doing this video to show you that one baby has passed. So first we had 1 egg hatched, then we had 2 more eggs hatched. So that would mean there should be a total of 3 babies. Now when we checked the box recently, guys, we see that there's only 2 babies in there, the white face and a yellow looking one. So that means that one either was trampled, one probably never get enough feeding, or 2 him the immune system they just weak and it just pass. So currently there are 2 babies in the box, and if you look you can see that their craw are full of food. So the parents are feeding them. Guys, please remember to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. Goodbye, adios.